This is John Locke, and today we're answering a question that comes from the Reddit SEO forum. And this question goes like this. This person has a website that's about one thing. They revealed later is their website is about web design, but they have an article on there that is performing very well and ranking really high, but it is not the main subject of their website. And in this case, it was video editing. So their whole website is about the subject of web design. Basically, they're a web designer trying to sell services. And they have an article on how to do video editing, and they're wondering what to do with it. That was basically their question. How do you approach this? Some of the suggestions that were in the post were, if you want to branch out into video editing, you could make a new service for that. But I think what the original poster was trying to figure out is how to leverage this to get more people to sign up for web design. Something that somebody mentioned in this post that I thought was very insightful was that the type of person that's searching for how to do video editing and the person who wants video editing or web design or any type of marketing stuff done for them are two different searcher intentions. So the DIY person is going to have a totally different search intent from the person who's wanting to hire somebody. My advice to this person with a high-ranking video editing post is figure out how you can leverage the traffic from this post to raise up the rest of your site. Now, I've got a couple articles on my site that are kind of oddball, that aren't necessarily about SEO or marketing or web design either, that do really well. But one thing you could do is add some internal linking from that page. Since it's ranking well, it'll probably get some links from people who are referencing how to do video editing at some point. So the overall page rank, the link equity, the link juice, or whatever you want to call it, is going to raise over time if this page is ranking really well. Because believe me, trust me, people will link to it as a reference at some point. So I would say find a way to do some internal links from this article to a page that you want to highlight. I would say maybe if you have an article that you want to push that's maybe on page 2 or 3 of Google for the search term, link to that. If you want to link to your web design service page or whatever page is ranking the highest right now, if people are searching like web design in your city or region, whatever page that is, whether that's the home page or a specified service page about web design, I would say internally link to that. So leverage internal linking. If you want to branch out into video editing, that, great, more power to you. But it doesn't sound like this person wants to do that. They're just trying to figure out how to leverage the traffic that they're getting. I would say this. I don't know how many posts you have on your website, how many articles, but I would say do as many as possible on web design and web development if you want to boost your ranking for web design in your city. And here's a little tip too. If you can get backlinks from websites which are about coding, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, anything like that, if you can get links from pages that are about that, that will help you rank a little bit higher in web design for your city. Trust me on this one. Okay. Hope that answers this question. This is John Locke from Lockedown Design and SEO. Normally we help manufacturing and industrial firms get more requests for quotes. If you have an SEO question, leave it in the comments below. We'll answer it in a future video. And hey, we're publishing videos every single day, so we'd love to see you subscribe. Till next time, peace.